The gardenia is one of the most beautiful flowers to give as a gift. This flower is originally from China and can be found in a variety of colors. It's especially known for its stability and its bright, smooth leaves. Gardenias bloom from May through July in all climates where they are grown, whether inside or out. In their ideal climate, the volume of blooms will increase. In addition, the flowers will be more robust and they may bloom again in the fall. How often do gardenias bloom? Gardenias are flowering evergreen shrubs hardy in zones 7 to 11. Their long-lasting, fragrant white flowers bloom from late spring to fall. Each bloom can last several weeks before wilting. The wilted flowers then form into orange seed pods. Do gardenias need sun or shade? Gardenias usually perform best in full sun but may appreciate shade during the hottest part of the day. In the warmest parts of their hardiness range, they seem to grow best in humid areas and don't tolerate drought or arid conditions well. Can gardenias grow in pots? Gardenias grow very well in containers or pots and can add beauty and fragrance to a patio, front porch, or terrace. These evergreen fragrant plants are easy to grow outdoors in containers. They are easy to care for and only require occasional pruning to keep their shape and size.